Today, I saw a bazaar in the courtyard of a mosque. On this occasion, I will provide an in-depth look at the origin, meaning of the word bazaar, its significance in Turkey, and the material and spiritual benefits bazaars bring to society. The word bazaar is derived from the French word kermesse, reflecting the tradition of post-Sunday church services for charitable purposes. In Turkey, bazaars are not only charity events but have also become a ritual of community solidarity. Bazaars organized in schoolyards, church or mosque courtyards, or community centers showcase the rich colors of love and mutual assistance. These events aim to support the social projects of associations, schools, or community groups and extend a helping hand to those in need. From school parents to association members, volunteers, every individual filled with the spirit of love and assistance has the potential to organize a bazaar. Bazaars represent not only stalls filled with products but also an exhibition space where cultures converge. Handicrafts, traditional flavors, and a variety of products are offered for sale. Products sold at bazaars are generally cheaper than market prices. However, those with good financial means contribute an amount far exceeding the real value of the products they purchase, providing an additional contribution. Even those unable to provide products for the bazaar often offer financial support. Therefore, bazaars are among the social activities where both the wealthy and those in need establish emotional closeness. Bazaars also attract the interest of foreign tourists, similar to local residents. Bazaars are usually organized in schoolyards, church courtyards, or community centers. These locations are not just physical spaces but also special areas where the community comes together to provide support to one another. Although bazaars are organized at different times, each bazaar has its own unique story. The smiles on the faces of people wandering through the bazaar area indicate that the timing of these events is determined not only by the calendar but also by the rhythm of hearts. Seasonal changes, the beginning or end of the school year, special events for organizations, societal needs, natural disasters, wars, and pandemics determine when bazaars are organized. The societal benefit of bazaars is measured not only by the income generated but also by the spiritual power of communities coming together. This is because bazaars are not just charity events but an atmosphere where love and solidarity among people are showcased. Colorful stalls, handmade products shaped by the efforts of volunteers, and the flavors offered for sale are not just a visual spectacle but also a stage where cultures touch each other and love and solidarity dance. The evolution of this tradition, which once began as a church event, reflects the power of bringing different segments of society in Turkey together to share a common purpose. A wide range of products, from traditional weaving techniques to modern designs, is showcased at handicraft stalls. These stalls represent a cultural mosaic where traditional textures come together. The magic of bazaars is experienced primarily on a spiritual level. These events bring people together, revive the spirit of solidarity, increase social interaction, and strengthen community bonds. They serve as a means of communication where cultures embrace and hearts come closer. In conclusion, bazaars tell a rich story from their origin to their tradition, purpose, and societal impacts. Each bazaar becomes synonymous with warm stories behind the vibrant stalls, a festival where cultures touch, and a celebration of love and mutual assistance.
Cana yana kul oldum, bir esmere kul oldum.